Everybody. What's in YouTube? What's in TikTok? What's in everybody? Another day, another dollar. It's Bag Sunday. It's Bag Sunday. Sunday Bag Day. I'm saying it backwards, but great. Oh man. All right. Oh man. I'm about to talk about what happened last week and what I expect to see this following up week. Go here. Got the nonsense. Let's cut the nonsense. I'm gonna get right into it, but first, let me start off with off. Uh, the video is supposed to be dropping there. It is dropping there. Video is dropping. They got earnings calls coming up on Wednesday. I'm gonna try to load up with some contracts. Hopefully we get a little slight pullback. Slight pullback. If not, shit might be too fly. So I expect the market to continue bullish, even though buy is only near its all-time high. So literally, buy is damn near its all-time highs. I feel like the earnings reports will push buy all the way to the top. So without no interrupts. The swing got called out last week. It was a good swing. I didn't take it myself, which was a bad idea. Um, I was in some sales for Tesla week prior, and market decided to reverse, and low-key feel like price might continue on a downward. So I might be hopping on some more sales. Just doubling down my foolishness, doubling down my foolishness. Distracted. Jesus. I'm so distracted, y'all. I'm so sorry. So pretty much my markups are still valid for next week. Um this would have been a great dip buy. Like literally price crossed right under, resistance and literally just buy and price continuing on the upside. And and I regret not looking at this more depth because price really came back to re-entry and I did not get into it. I did not re-enter, so that is very tough. That's very tough to see. Very tough to see. This is just continuing on, going, got no interrupts. But marking it up. Move drawings on a daily. I'm gonna start with QQQ this week. I am very distracted. Oh my goodness. Brain is everywhere. I'm not locked in. I'm not locked in, man. All right, let me mark this chart up. This is QQQ. This is Nasdaq's little big brother, little bro. So on a daily, I still see this bearish and coughing, but on a daily, so it's like, man, like core level. We have this here. Chop it up. Man, market is very, very kind of consistent. So everything's looking not too bad. I ain't tripping. What's him? The real honor. The real honor. Okay. And we got support. Support right here. This is on the daily candlesticks. Then we see on the 4 hour pushing up. The price is in a low key no trade zone. Hey, let me see. I marked up something. Q. Okay, so this is what I saw. QQ. But kind of like what I'm seeing this week is a little different. My technical analysis. Technical analysis. So um or okay. We see price kind of failing to break this all high because it came down. But let's see if price continues and break this resistance. Entry points literally above this resistance level. Or you can go ahead and try to get in early. But we could also like we still pending on like I think the market is still very bullish. Like we really corrected really fast, which is not okay. I seen the pullback I wanted. We had a little pullback here, a little pullback for a few days, for one day actually. This was a 1 day move. So I still think price, it's all educational purposes, not financial advice. But I still think price is very price could, end up continue downward, like we still got indication. We got indication on both sides. Like we got indication above the resistance, and then we have crazy indication below the resistance. Maybe like after elections, price can just decide to just sell off like for the 4 or 5 months, and there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. So right now, um, like we're just gonna play it by the eye. We're gonna play it by the eye. We're gonna play it by the eye. Play it by what we see in the chart. We're gonna play it by what we see in the chart. Gonna play it by what we see in the chart. Ooh, a little swing opportunity if you want to, but I don't think I'm like, to be honest, like market is very bullish right now. So I don't see the market like going down here. But if market decides to continue to reverse, because we saw, a little fallback and we failed to break this, above this. But I still see market pushing above, especially with earnings calls from Nvidia. So that's a sign that price could be in the up, still in the upward. Because every time when Nvidia releases their earnings, like it's a bull market, it's a bull market. Now let me go on Nvidia, move drawings. Like that's why it's always great to redraw your charts and see how you are looking into, you know, how you looking into the. Because every week you going, you bring in a new perspective. You know, I'm not technical, all technical analysis, but I try to be, kind of balance of both, where I'm technical and fundamental. My fundamental analysis is on this is that price, we're seeing like on the technical side, price is creating like very, very faint, very signs of reversal. But but on the long side, like on the fundamental side, we know the video has earning report coming up, and every single time the video drops earnings report, it just goes crazy. It just the video just goes crazy. The video goes crazy. Video goes crazy, and that's what we got to do. Like just stick him by. So I'm on a 4 hour right now. I'm going to 1 hour to get more depth look. Same thing, like you had this all-time highs at 144. Then we kind of had this pullback all the way down to $90, and that's okay. That's okay. We still see price. I think like it's still like a buy. Like I'm gonna load up some contracts in the video. Load up some contracts on my option calls on the video for a buy, because I know like I just know I just know the the earnings calls would be great. If not, then we all England shit. Some weak ass watermelon. Just keep it simple. Just buy above resistance, sell below support. All right, let's zoom in a little bit. Honest, like these are the daily supports, but let's try to get into a little bit of like intraday, like because I be keeping it too simple. Let's have a more closer look at what's going on with price. So right here we had some indication. You know, this is a 1 hour distance. Distance. Price breaks this. Possibility of re-enter return plays right here. But I don't see the video going down too crazy, so like I don't want to enter any more sales because I ate dirt last week for selling on the video. I mean, like waiting for Tesla to pull back, even though it pulled back massively, but it was many days where I waited, like look at consolidation, waited, then it pulled back, and it's better to trade with a trend than just trade what's on your heart, cause like, and then the fundamentals is telling me like the video got earnings calls on Wednesday. Let's see where I can find that video. Boom, the video earnings would call, bro. You see this, man? Volume, bro. Watchers 500K after the bell. Got it. Salesforce. CrowdStrike Holdings is having their earnings reports too. Look, I can look that into that. This is like a short-term play. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Uh, but mm, okay. The earnings post. Alright, boom. Got done. Kind of did a more micro level. Past few Sundays have been more one day in a macro level where I'm looking on the daily, looking on the outward. But man, Tesla just I feel like Tesla's about to sell off, bro. Like, I just like last week we got more indication it wants to go lower than that. And man, like I just on the 4 hour. I don't need to redraw nothing up. Like 1 hour. I'm still convinced Tesla's on sales. Let's go to this five SPX 500 or this. Like, look at this. Like price literally was like wanted to sell off, but next day, you know what it be. It's election week, election year. Um, they don't want price to look too crazy. You don't want price. Presidentials don't want to leave the office with negative stock markets. They want it near all time highs. Elections are around the corner. Crazy rebound. Crazy rebound. But a little different. I want to spy up a little different. I'm gonna mark it on the okay. We had all this low support, right? Monday resistance. Support level. He just flew through that support level. Jesus. Man, I'm a believer, man. Buy a hold, man. We got this. Really, our targets damn near here. All time highs. So we just buy above resistance, sell below support, you know? Sell below support. On a 1 hour. Got this resistance. I'm back for the third time, so I don't know. My charting's been just beautiful, now. Look, you gonna give myself some cred. Give myself some cred. Video. Me post this. Kind of a bitch. Fine. Fine. Looking English. YouTube. A video. Speak. Tesla. Tesla. Looking. Looking. Bearish. Bearish. But video. Turning. Might give it bullish pressure. Fresh. Pressure. All right. Okay, that's good enough. That's what I think for the coming to market. I think this video, bruh, this about to go crazy. This about to go crazy. Like I'm about to load up on QQQ. Shit, I even look at the pre-market contracts, man. Man. No, 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 no. Okay. Um. Yeah, like I'm about to try to backtest more this week. I promise I will backtest 5 days this week. Five. Five. I promise that. Good job. Like this. Done. All right. I'm out, man. Keep it short and sweet. Got straight to the point. Appreciate for everybody who came through. You learned something new, man. Like I'm trying to teach something new. Sorry I didn't have the energy. I'm gonna have it tomorrow. Appreciate all the love. This.